Hello everyone, a warm welcome back to my channel. I am so blessed to have you all here once again. My name is Samira and today I'm going to be sharing with you this fufu recipe. Okay, delicious fufu recipe, right? So it's a combination of plantain and fufu powder. So plantain fufu powder, okay, or fufu plantain powder, whichever, however it's called, okay. So I've peeled my plantain and I'm going to grate it with a grater, okay. So I'm using the big holes to grate it. This way makes it easier for my blender to blend it, okay. I don't want to worry my blender. So after grating it, I'm going to blend it. Okay, so I'll put it in my blender jug and then I'll blend it. So yes, this is one of the best ways of making your fufu powder. Okay, the best ways. Okay, so when you just make the fufu powder, no, it tastes some funny bit, right? But when you blend one plantain and you add it to a cup of your fufu powder, okay, so that is your plantain fufu powder. OMG. She said, do you understand? OMG. Your life has changed. Very delicious. So it's nicely blended, very smooth. I'll wash my jug and I will pour that water to it, okay, because you need a little bit of water to mix it. So as you see me shaking it, making sure that everything comes out okay. So now I have my cup of plantain fufu flour, yes, and then I'm going to add it. So I'm going to add it and I'm mixing it. You can use whatever you have, spatula, your hand, whatever, to mix it, okay. So once it's nicely mixed, then you pop it into the microwave, okay. So first time I use 6 minutes, okay. So I put my microwave on 6 minutes, okay. So once the 6 minutes is done, the fufu will look like that. Looks like the edges will look like it's cooked and the middle is not cooked. Very good. It means that it's looking good. So what you do is you sort of stir it and then you sprinkle a little bit of water on it, right? Yes. Then you pop it back into the microwave and then you do another 3 minutes, okay. And that is your fufu done. There's a microwave. So once the fufu then for you to know that your fufu is done, you see that the fufu has sort of inflated. How do I even explain it? I mean, it's like it's inflated. It's everything's like so how am I going to explain it? The fufu be inflated. That's all. Then you know that it's ready, okay. So once it's ready, just usually we do it this way to make it look nice. If you watch my original fufu, pounding fufu, you see that at the end, we sort of dress the fufu nicely. We form them into nice, beautiful balls before we put it in the bowls, okay. So here, because we don't have the mortar and the pestle, we use this earthenware bowl to do it with the kapori, which is also called pestle, okay. So what I do initially, I didn't capture that because my video was off. So yeah, I scoop some of the fufu into it and then I start to sort of pound, okay. So I use my left to pound, use my hand to turn it to make it look nice. Sometimes when you do it, can go very wonky. It can go bad. It's like the thing is not forming. But you keep doing it. Just trust the process and keep doing it. Okay, you see that it will form nicely, very nicely and smooth. And this is smooth and soft and succulent and oh my days. Yeah. And what I like to do is to put my fufu in in cold water, because the fufu is hot. Where I come from, I don't know about you. Me, where I come from, my fufu is never hot, so I don't like eating hot fufu. So whenever I make fufu, I make sure I put it in cold water to cool it down. I put it in cold water so that exterior leather thing doesn't form on it, because when you leave it out, it will form. You have this firm, hard exterior, like it looks like leather piece that they didn't have to remove. No, but when you put it in water, and it stops that thing from happening. Okay, so our fufu is ready, nicely done, very simple. Okay, and on this occasion, I served it with abenko. As abenko, don't worry, I'm going to bring you the fufu for 5. Okay, for fufu for a family of 5. Very delicious. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate each and every one of you. And may God bless you for coming back always to support me. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. Okay? I'm going to be bringing you similar fufu recipes very soon. So look out for it. They be a council as Emma. Don't worry. Thank you all and hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.